The moment when you can create a copy of yourself may be closer than you think. In November 2025, Elon Musk announced that within 20 years, humans may be able to upload their consciousness into Tesla's Optimus robot by combining Neuralink technology with humanoid robotics. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that housework, cooking, cleaning, organizing, and even basic caregiving are no longer part of your daily burden. Not because you hired help, but because a humanoid robot quietly handled everything overnight. This is not a scene from I, Robot or Star Wars. According to Elon Musk, this future is not decades away. It is already being engineered, tested, and prepared for mass production. So, the scale of Optimus, like I said, that's really going to be something else. I think it's going to be the biggest product of all time by far, like bigger than cell phones. At Tesla's 2025 shareholder meeting, Musk made one of the boldest claims of his career. Optimus may become the biggest product of all time, bigger than smartphones. He didn't stop there. He argued that Optimus could eliminate poverty, deliver universal health care, and fundamentally reshape human labor. While such statements sound outrageous, what shocked audiences even more was not the words, but the robot itself. Optimus walked untethered, danced on stage, navigated spaces autonomously, and performed real tasks inside Tesla facilities 24/7. But beneath the hype lies a far more grounded and practical truth. Optimus is being built first and foremost as a homemaker, not a stunt robot, not a lab experiment. A real scalable, cost-efficient household assistant designed to live and work among humans. This raises a serious question, perhaps the most important one of all. So why is Elon Musk focusing on making Tesla Optimus a robot for household chores? To answer that convincingly, we must look beyond spectacle and examine the foundations. Unlike most humanoid robots that prioritize agility, speed, or acrobatics, Optimus focuses on the mundane but essential tasks that define everyday life. Tesla understands that for robots to be accepted into homes, they must prove their value in kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms long before they are trusted in factories or hospitals. That is why Tesla's current demonstrations emphasize cleaning, organizing, kitchen manipulation, and object handling rather than flashy movements. Optimus has already been shown vacuuming floors, wiping countertops, sorting objects, stirring pots, serving food, and performing routine household services. Tasks that are rarely highlighted in robotic showcases, but are central to real domestic labor. One of the most decisive factors that distinguishes Optimus from its competitors is Tesla's focus on the human hand. Elon Musk openly acknowledged that replicating the forearm and hand is among the most difficult challenges in robotics, describing the human hand as an incredible thing. There's really three things that are super difficult about robots. One is the engineering of the forearm and hand, because the human hand isn't an incredible thing. Actually, its household work demands a level of dexterity that goes far beyond strength or speed. Folding laundry, holding fragile objects, spreading sauces, slicing vegetables, or cleaning surfaces all require subtle force control and continuous adjustment. Tesla approached this challenge by engineering robotic hands with dozens of miniature actuators and up to 22 degrees of freedom, enabling each finger to move and respond with near-human precision. This design allows Optimus to cradle delicate objects without breaking them and manipulate small household items in ways that most robots simply cannot. While robots like Boston Dynamics' Atlas can run, jump, and perform backflips, they still struggle with tasks as simple as peeling an orange. Tesla's Optimus sacrifices spectacle in favor of fine motor control, which is precisely what homemaking requires. Equally important is how Optimus learns to perform these tasks. Traditional robots rely on rigid line-by-line programming, which makes them brittle in unpredictable environments. Homes, however, are inherently chaotic. Every household has different layouts, clutter patterns, furniture arrangements, pets, and human behaviors. To address this, Tesla trains Optimus using a symptorial learning approach that mirrors human learning. For more than a year, Optimus has been training up to 16 hours a day at Tesla's Palo Alto facility, observing human demonstrations, watching tutorial videos, and practicing tasks in simulation before executing them in the real world. Through this process, the robot learns by making mistakes, correcting them, and gradually refining its actions. Rather than recognizing objects purely by shape, Optimus learns their function. It understands that a knife is used for cutting, a pan is used for cooking, and a jar contains sauces. This functional understanding allows it to operate effectively in real kitchens and living spaces without needing pre-programmed routes or static environments. Optimus is also designed to coexist naturally with humans. Interaction is not limited to spoken commands. The robot is capable of interpreting gestures, body language, and subtle visual cues. A glance toward a pile of dishes or a simple point toward the floor can be enough for Optimus to infer intent. This intuitive interaction is powered by Tesla's AI-5 cognitive system, which continuously builds and updates a three-dimensional map of the home using cameras, depth sensors, and real-time processing. Optimus navigates narrow hallways, avoids furniture, distinguishes, clears throat between objects and living beings, and adapts instantly when children or pets move unexpectedly. This situational awareness is essential for domestic environments where safety, adaptability, and predictability matter more than raw performance metrics. The upcoming Optimus Gen 3, scheduled for release in the first quarter of next year, represents Tesla's first commercial humanoid robot and marks a significant leap toward household integration. Elon Musk described it as being so realistic that it will seem as though there's someone like a person in a robot outfit. With a design that is approximately 70% human-like, hidden joints, smooth surfaces, and natural movement, Optimus Gen 3 is intended to feel familiar rather than alien. This matters deeply in a home setting where trust and comfort are prerequisites for acceptance. Rumored features such as an OLED facial display, Grok voice integration, and even more refined hands further reinforce Tesla's intent to make Optimus a natural presence in daily life rather than an intrusive machine. From a productivity standpoint, Optimus fundamentally